Good morning everyone. I am sharing with you kung paano nako isolve ang isa ka exact differential equation. Again, this is my method and i-try lang po ninyo if mag-work or ganahan po mo sa ko ang solution. So, halimbawa if natay differential equation ayan where ang ato ang exact or total differential function with respect to x is c m and the total differential of f or the function with respect to y is cn. Maingon na to nga exact ang ato ang dE if i-take na to ang partial derivative of m with respect to y dapat equal kang partial derivative of n with respect to x. After that step, ma-prove nga equal or exact is ako ang i-integrate ang function nga si m with respect to x. After that is ang answer sa number 2 is i-differentiate nako with respect to y na sad. And after nakuha ang answer sa number 3, i-equate nako siya sa ako ang function diri sa n of x and y. And then solve for the constant value nga nabilin. Sige, for example, this is my m x of y and this is my n of x and y. So let's prove if exact ba siya by taking its partial derivative of m with respect to y. Diba? Ato ang m of x and y is this. So all of the other variable other than y is considered as constant. So x and 2 is constant sa m kay with respect to y. So ang derivative is 2x minus 0 kay walay y values diri. So to simplify, equal siya kang 2x and the partial derivative naman kang n is equal with respect to x is equal to 2x plus 0. 2x so equal silang duha, meaning the DE is exact. So proceed sa solution. After sa step 1, step 2 ta integrate. Kinsa si m, dara si m, di ba? So copy na to siya. 2xy minus 3x squared integrate with respect to x partially. So f is equal to with respect to x, so meaning constant si y. May mo siyang x squared y minus x cube plus the function of h of y. Mag-add ta og constant value pinag-integral ta. And after that proceed ta sa step 3 nga i-differentiate na to ang answer kani with respect to y. So differentiate partially equal siya kang x squared minus 0 since walay y dire, so constant lang si x cube plus h prime of y. And then proceed ta sa number 4 nga equate ang answer sa number 3 I mean sa n of x and y. Atong n of x and y diri is tara, si x squared plus y. So, equate na to siya. X squared plus y is equal to x squared plus h prime of y. Cancel out. Bili na lang is h prime of to find the constant value sa h of y is integrate to sub. So, bilin is h of y. Integral with respect to y is y squared over 2. Then, mo siya ato ang h of y. Then, natin final answer nga x squared y minus x cubed plus h squared over 2 equals to c. Equate ni mo siya ang kani into c constant.